Whenever we practice any asana, it is important to work with your breath because we think our breath is not important. Actually, whenever we do any posture, we need to have awareness with our body and the mind together. So the breath is a connection between your body and the mind. So we don't have to hold the breath and we don't have to keep breathing faster. We need to learn ourselves, like whenever we need breathe, we inhale, exhale, but whenever we don't need the breath, we just keep breath normal, and it can bring your asanas practice to the next level. I hope you enjoy this video. Please feel free to share video and give me your beautiful comments, so I will be very happy to see you soon in my next video. Have a good day everyone. Namaste.